Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about color of hemosiderin is due to the brown color. Brown color of contusion is due to mainly brown color of contusion is mainly due to hemosiderin. Green color of contusion is due to biliverdin. So here age of the bruise. When the bruise is fresh, it is bright red in color due to oxyhemoglobin. At 3 hours to 3 days after bruise, 3 hours to 3 days after injury, the bruise becomes blue in color due to deoxyhemoglobin. After fourth day of injury, the bruise becomes brown in color due to hemosiderin. On 5th to 6th days after injury, the bruise becomes green in color due to hematoidin or biliverdin. By 7 to 12 days, the bruise becomes yellow in color due to bilirubin. By 2 weeks, the bruise becomes completely normal. Thank you and thank you for watching.